Yo, what's going on, guys? SDD here, back at it again with another video, and today we're gonna be unboxing my Megan header. It's a 4-to-1 header for my Nissan Sentra SER Spec-V.
Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah. That's the packaging.
Look pretty, boy. It was looking right. Gorgeous, bro.
Freaking gorgeous,
bro. This is the most beautiful header I've ever seen in my life, bro.
That shit is sick.
Let me see it real quick.
Megan Racer.
Bro, that header looks beautiful, bro.
That fucking header is sexy. Look at that.
Oh, fuck, penetration.
It's pretty cool.
So we're gonna be trying to avoid taking off the alternator. We have to take off the shield, heat shield, and then most probably the dipstick.
Alright guys, I took out the header already, put the new gasket. Look at that. Look at that big. Look at this. This thing is pretty heavy, yo.
Yeah. Is this one lighter?
For sure. To carry that, yo. It's heavy.
It's like 20 pounds, 30 pounds.
Look at this beauty, bro. Look at these welds, bro. Look at that. Look at that weld. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is a lot lighter.
Still, it's beautiful.
I feel like the other one's weird.
No, it's not a problem.
Perfect. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is these is the most important for the mid pipe, for the stock mid pipe. So I'll keep the spring that way in case it flexes, it doesn't crack or do anything ridiculous with the header. And then the bolts that it brung, I'll just bolt it up to the muffler because I don't have a bolt for that one. Alright. But yeah. Alright, we're good to go. Let's get that back on.
Gio here, the kid that's always on the side of the video. We're just here finishing up, tightening up the header. As you can see, it's hot.
Mira, Dani.
Yeah.
Ponlo y hazle así con la mano. Que eso aprieta más que...
Alright, so we'll get back to you when we're done. Hey guys, so this is Gio again, and we're just finishing up tightening the header with the mid pipe. And again, this is on the 2005 Sentra SER Spec-V.
Alright guys, this is the first startup. Not complete, we just have up to the mid pipe. Let's hear how it sounds.
Where is it?
What's that?
Backfire.
Sounds clean. That sounds cool like that, yo.
Yo, it vibrates the hell out of the car.
Yeah,
G?
right under your ass.
You don't like it?
Yeah, no, I like it, I do.
What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
What I'm thinking? Just
Look at that new, look at the smell, smell it.
To be honest,
Just don't put the muffler.
Smell it.
yeah. That's
Yeah.
just probably from shit in the mid pipe too. What's it called? I'll probably end up doing a side exit, to be honest.
Yeah, let's do it.
You're just gonna keep it like that or you're gonna go?
No, we're gonna put it with
No.
No, like right now I'm talking about like, are you gonna add the...
Yeah, I'm gonna add the cap back.
Just the cat back. Let's see how it sounds without the...
Damn, bro, that muffler is gonna kill it though.
Yo, try me, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, but that muffler is gonna kill it, no? Shit's big as hell.
Yeah, it's gonna
That
kill
muffler is gonna
it. No,
kill
it's
it.
gonna kill it for sure.
Los tornillos de aquí.
Maybe we cut off the tape.
Son estos.
What if we make this just a tape?
Pero eso tiene ropa. Eso
That
tiene
shit probably has stuff in it, too.
Is it... Does it... Do you know if it's empty?
We ran it and it caught on fire.
No, that shit, I don't know if that's a temperature or not. Oh, the exhaust leak.
Ya por
Huge one too. Oh, VTEC.
Mira,
VTEC.
esto es un calzo.
Alright guys, we'll get back.
That resonator's empty, for sure.
Yeah. Alright, guys, we'll get back with you guys once we get the cat back on. Alright, we're about to start it up. You ready? How you feeling right now?
Kind of nervous.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, yo. Fuck.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hasta que no se asiente bien, caliente tu escape y toda esa mierda.
Sí, yo sé.
Está de aire.
Oh no.
Ready?
Yo, like Malone said, bro, you're spitting something white, rice.
It doesn't sound too bad from back.
No, it really doesn't. Rev it. So you can hear it.
There's light revs right now.
It's not bad though, honestly.
I am throwing white stuff though. That's
Yeah.
probably just stuff.
Yeah,
in there.
yeah. Garbage. I just sat out for how long?
4 years, 5 years.
Shit.
Alright, let's take it.
Alright, let's go.
Sorry, it's turning yellow. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's gonna be so nice. Can we get a light?
Right here. Right here.
Smoking now.
Good. Good as hell.
Enrique, have you ever heard V-Tech?
Nope.
You ever been in a car with V-Tech?
Nope.
You're gonna hear
I've been in V8s my whole life. And diesels. Diesel and V8s. Before it was kind of like, when you went to LA, doesn't that shit give you a headache?
Yeah. Yeah, but now it's bad because now we hear every little problem with the car.
Yeah. But good at the same
But now-
time.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Bad and good.
have that cat though. That fucks you up.
Sounds weird, huh? Clutch?
That's normal. Yeah. Still perfect.
Sounds like.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I need an exhaust.
better.
But I feel like something is leaking in the front still.
Hey, back up.
It was nice. You want me to hit it?
I don't know, up to you. Oh yeah, I heard it.
You can hear it?
Yeah, I heard it.
Feels slower.
Feels slower.
Hey.
Yeah, it's popping.
Oh my god, I don't like this, bro.
What's up with him?
Well.
Trying to play take off on you, bro.
You don't like it?
I'm like, yeah, about it.
It's fun.
No, like it.
You know, like,
I miss
I
it.
gotta fucking
You need to put a rice box
some type of exhaust, bro.
back. Anything, you're gonna rice it. You gotta rice the exhaust.
You see how it sounds with the little.
Huh? See, if you did a pool like that, I'll hear you from my house type shit.
Type shit. At least the header looks nice.
Now Chino beat you.
Yeah.
Who's the loudest car there? Probably Chino, huh?
Now, yeah. It used
Michael.
to be me or
Yeah, for sure. Used to be.
Michael's the loudest.
Oh yeah, I forgot about Michael.
yeah, with a car.
Yeah, car wise, I think Chino. And then after him, oh.
No me gusta para nada. Calladito, calladito.
Alrighty, guys, we'll get back
Yo, rev it
with
in
you
the
a little
back.
bit.
Small.
Sounds
A
nice.
little bit more.
Yo, if you did a rev like that, bro, with the how you had it, oh, that's fucking eardrums blown.
Yeah, of course, because the lightweight pulley.
Oh yeah,
It's okay.
it's alright.
It's way quieter
Muffler
than the
delete
inside,
though.
though.
Muffler
I'll probably
delete
do a muffler delete.
for sure.
Yo, get back there.
Let me do my own, like my own rev now.
Oh,
Not
yeah.
gonna.
Alright, but don't over it.
Go.
It sounds alright from the back. Yo, Gio, get back there.
Oh,
Alright.
funny.
Oh. Yo, you gotta hear it.
Pretty fucking clean.
Better than
Eh, brr, pa.
Before it would have. That rev would have been dumb loud.
Whoa!
Started to get
Oh,
Watch it go down.
hold on, bro. We need a light, bro. But look at my pants. Look at my pants, bro. Oh, look at that. Oh, baby. That is fucking beautiful. We thought that would be burning red. But from the looks of it, my boy, purple. We thought wrong, but it's still sexy. Look at that beautiful purple, blue, yellow kind of color. Beautiful.
Really hard.
How do you feel?
Like a racer, boy.
Racer boys? You? 80?
Can't wait to get a race pipe.
Race pipe, yeah?
Alright, so we'll do some more exhaust work on it.
Alright, for sure.
What's up with you?
Me? You know, I got stock, bone stock Mustang 5.0.
Shit.
Here, you can check it out.
Sounds good. But it's not.
Alright, let's see how a flyby sounds in this bad boy. Huh?
Probably ugly, but still.
You think so, bro?
By the way, I'm the co-owner
Of what?
of the Nothing, my Chevrolet.
Fucking look alive.
But that's my brother's car, so I'm still
Doesn't sound that bad.
Actually, no, but from the outside, it's still ricey, but it sounds not that bad.
I would think that'll sound a little bit worse, but no. Oh gosh. Ricer pulling up, guys.
Can't even make the U-turn almost.
Oh my gosh. We got a ricer. Oh my god.
Light one light brighter than the other.
It that a thumb, dog?
You wish, dog.
I wish too, dog.
Like I said, you wish.
Boy, let me not get on your ass. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and comment of what you guys think about the car. You guys think it's right style, loud, not loud? Let me know. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate it.
Between the lines of red and blue, I was coloring thoughts for the sake of finding truth. Was following rules, counting all of my good deeds. Oh, living in fear, hell at my feet. Heaven is out of reach, and there's a fire that I won't slay. There's a fire but no fire brigade.